If you want to protect your iPhone in case it gets lost or stolen, turning on Find My iPhone is essential. This feature helps you locate your device, play a sound to help you find it, and even remotely erase your data if necessary. Here's how to enable Find My iPhone on your device. Solution 1. Turn on Find My iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, your name. Scroll down and tap on Find My iPhone. Toggle Find My iPhone to the On position. Also enable Send Last Location. Find My Network to automatically send the device's last known location to Apple when the battery is critically low. While toggling on this can ask for Apple ID or password. If it prompts, just drop it. Solution 2. Use Find My iPhone. To test the feature, go to iCloud.com or use the Find My app on another Apple device. Sign in with your Apple ID. Click on Find iPhone. Select your device from the list to see its location on a map. By following these steps, you can successfully turn on Find My iPhone and ensure you have a way to locate your device if it ever goes missing. Keeping this feature enabled is crucial for your device's security. If you have any issues or need further assistance, consider contacting Apple support.